Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Ecotec engine guys on Chevy or Opel guys, we will show you how to clean VVT solenoid. Okay, as you know, Chevrolet, Chevy and Opel, they share the same engine. That Ecotec is used on so many Opel and Chevy vehicles. We're talking about the 1.8 engine guys. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this engine alone. We'll have everything from timing belt replacements to cylinder head gaskets, quite a few things. So this is the engine right here. Stay with us and we'll show you what needs to be done now. You have two VVT solenoids. Okay, you have one right here, exhaust side, one right here, intake side. The procedure for removing and replacing them is the same, no matter where you're doing this or this one. And for cleaning guys, you have to remove them. Now if you have an engine light, sometimes that will fix your solenoid and you don't have to buy a new one. All the tools and parts that we use guys are listed in the description of the video below. This yellow thing needs to come out, okay, like that. Now you can press in here and disconnect the wire, just like that. Next we have one bolt guys, and we need to use a reverse torque socket like this one here. It will be listed in the description of the video below. It's reverse torques 8 and the bolt goes, okay, like that. So I'll go ahead, remove that bolt. Once you get it loose, usually those things tend to go by hand pretty easy. Okay, just getting it off now, and we'll be able to pull the solenoid out and show you what needs to be done to clean that guy. So careful not to drop the bolt because it's extremely short bolt. Okay, like this one here. Now that solenoid sometimes could be stuck really bad, sometimes it will come out easy. Ours, we removed it earlier, but we decided to make a video show you how to clean it so it came out easy. This is the solenoid. Now let me show you guys. Okay, right here, first thing you see, some debris right here. Check it out, that definitely needs clean. That's the screen there. You have more screens here, and even though we have the screens, sometimes things will still go in the solenoid, and if it gets stuck there, it might read it as the solenoid being stuck or stuck open or stuck closed. So what do we need to do now guys? Okay, we're going to need just a car battery here, 12-volt car battery. We're going to take some intake, throttle body and air cleaner. Okay, so let's come down to show you. Now this solenoid has two wires only two wires. And what do we need to do now guys? Okay, we're going to use alligator clips. Okay, with those alligator clips we're going to connect the wires to the car battery. Now, let me show you what will happen. When I connect it guys, okay, that thing will open and close. Okay, check it out now. So it opens and closes. So with that spray now, okay, I'm going to clean the screen on the front first. Okay, really good. Then you need to clean the little screens here. Okay, clean everything. Now you want to go here in these holes. Okay, spray in every hole. You can see all the oil coming out. Okay, then you want to connect it to the car battery to have the solenoid open, and while it's open you're going to spray again. Why? Because okay, when it's open, okay, it's actually, you'll be able to clean more on the inside. So you have to do that a few times guys, and you should be ready to go practically after that. So hopefully guys, okay, the video will save you some money. Thank you guys for watching. Please, hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.